I hope you are good. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to our social online class. Our next week exam. So, this class revision. Okay. First lesson. From EVS second lesson. Geography 7th lesson. History 10th lesson. Second lesson. Okay. We can see now. First lesson 2. Girls and boys. Book back exercise. Page number 22. Page number 22. Listen, all of you. Roman letter A. Fill in the blanks. First one. People are never exactly the same. Answer same. Second one. We can show respect by not touching or pushing someone. Answer is respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Some children study in schools that have only girls or only boys. Answer girls, boys. More and more. Fourth one. More and more parents dash their children in whatever they want to do. Support. S-U-P-P-O-R-T. Support. Roman letter B. Write true or false. First one. People are happy if they do the things that they enjoy. True. 2. Everyone enjoys exactly the same things. False. It is not important to give space to someone. False. Fourth one. Girls and boys should be treated in the same way. True. Then choose the right answer. First one. When boys cook, it means that their choice is dash, not dash. Respected or not respected. Answer is respected. Second one. Sports teams usually have only girls or only boys or both girls or boys. Answer is only girls or boys. Third one. Women work in many different careers or only a few careers. Answer is in many different careers. Fourth one. Women can or cannot become boxers or wrestlers. Answer is can. C-A-N, can. Okay. Then Roman letter D. Fill the blanks to complete these career words. Missing letters. First one. Pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. Second one. Cricketer. C-R-I-C-K-E-T-E-R. Cricketer. Third one. Police officer. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police officer. O-F-F-I-C-E-R. Officer. Police officer. Fourth one. Nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Then answer the following questions. First question. What does respect mean? Answer is respect means being polite and caring towards the feelings or and wishes of other people. Second one. Explain why girls and boys can play with whatever they like. Answer. Girls and boys can play with whatever they like because letting them do so shows respect for their choices. Third one. Write 2 sentences to explain why all family members should share in the work at home. Answer. All family members should share work at home so that only a single person does not have to do the work alone. This shows respect towards all the family members. Then, fourth question. Name 3 careers where women are working these days. 3 careers where women are working these days are in the police and armed forces, in sports such as boxing, and as doctors. Okay. Then lesson 7. Lesson 7. The earth is unique. Page number 58. Page number 58. Who am I? Who are we? I look blue from space. Answer is water. W-A-T-R, water. I am the layer of air surrounding the earth, atmosphere. Third one. I am the vast area where heavenly bodies and found space. Answer, space. Fourth one. I give light and warmth to the earth, sun. Fifth one. We live on the earth, people, plants and animals. Answer. Then our earth. First one. The surface of the earth is nearly 3 parts water and about 1 part land. Second one. All life exists on the surface of the earth. The answer is surface. Right? Then choose the right answer. C. Choose the right answer. First one. As we go higher, we find it difficult to breathe because first one, there is less air. We became very tired. Answer is there is less air. Second one. The sun is as far away from earth as the moon is. Second one, further away from earth than the moon. Answer, further away from earth than the moon. Then third one, the earth is like an orange because A. Answer, it is soft like an orange. It is flat at the top and the bottom. Answer is, it is flat at the top and the bottom. Fourth one, life is possible on earth because again answer, there is water to drink, air to breathe and warmth and light from the sun. B answer, the sun gives out harmful rays. Answer is, there is water to drink, air to breathe and warmth and light from the sun. Then fifth one, we must look after the earth because it is very beautiful. B, it is home to people, plants and animals. Answer, B answer. It is home to people, plants and animals. Match the following. Unique. Answer is the only one of its kind. Spare. Anything that is round like a ball. Atmosphere. The air it surrounds the earth. Oxygen. It outer part of something. Then surface. Surface answer is the outer part of something. Oxygen, the gas found in the air which we need to survive. Oxygen, the gas found in the air which we need to survive. Answer the following questions. Does the surface of the earth have more water or more land? First question. Answer. The surface of the earth has more water. Nearly 3 parts of the earth's surface is covered with water. Second question. Why do we find it difficult to breathe and we go higher and higher? Answer. As we go higher, the atmosphere has less air and it becomes difficult to breathe. Then third question. How do we know that the earth is round? The pictures of earth is taken from space show us that it is round and shaped like an orange, a little flat at the 2 ends. Then fourth question. What is the shape of the earth is called? The shape of the earth is called a sphere. Fifth one. Name the things that make life possible on Earth. Water on the Earth's surface, the air in the atmosphere, and the heat and light from the sun make life possible on Earth. Okay. Then next lesson 10 from history. Why we learn about the past. Page number 83. Fill in the blanks. When we look at old family photographs, we are looking at the past. Second one, dash is the study of the past, history. History tells us why the dash of the past happened, events. Then fourth one, in history we learn about famous people and also about the lives of ordinary people. Okay. Famous is also people. Okay. Then write true or false. Families do not have a history. False. In history, we learn about what is happening these days. False. Third one, history tells us why things happen. True. Answer. Fourth one, the stories of famous people and of the people who were not famous are all part of history. True. Fifth one, we learn history for many different reasons. True. Match the following. Famous, known by many people. Ordinary, not special. Earthen pot, was used to cool drinking water. Tonga, a horse-drawn vehicle. Letters in the past took many days to reach. Turn to next page, page number 87. Complete the sentences in your notebook. We learn history because learning about the past is interesting. Second one, we also learn history because we understand how people lived. Third one, the third reason to learn history is because it helps us understand many things in our world today. Answer the following questions. First question, what is history? History is the study of the events of the past and why they happened. History is the study of the events of the past and why they happened. Second question, write 3 sentences about what we learn in history. Answer, in history we learn about the events. See, in the history we learn about the events that happened in the past to people and to places. We learn why these events of the past took place and when they took place. We also learn about famous people and the lives of ordinary people who lived in the past. Then, third question. Name 2 famous people from history and give 1 reason why they are famous. 2 famous people in history are Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore. A poet, Gandhiji fought for India's freedom and Tagore wrote India's national anthem. Then, fourth question. When is Independence Day celebrated in India? Independence Day of India is celebrated on 15th August. Independence Day of India is celebrated on 15th August. Okay, that's all. All should study and write well. Okay. Thank you. Bye.